Transforming small backyards with effective hardscaping can maximize your space and enhance its functionality. Discover smart hardscaping ideas designed to optimize and beautify compact outdoor areas. Multi-level hardscaping can create the illusion of more space in small backyards by adding depth and visual interest. Consider terrace levels for seating and planting. Compact patios made from pavers or tiles can serve as an outdoor dining area or relaxation spot. Choose space-efficient furniture to keep the area functional and inviting. Utilize vertical planters to save ground space while adding greenery. Wall-mounted planters or vertical garden structures can enhance your backyard's look without cluttering the floor area. Well-designed pathways not only guide movement, but also enhance the aesthetic of small backyards. Use materials like gravel, stepping stones, or pavers for a clean look. Incorporate built-in seating to save space and provide ample seating. Bench seating along walls or garden beds can make small areas more functional and cozy. A compact fire pit or fire table can add warmth and ambience to small backyards. Choose a design that fits the space without overwhelming it. Modular outdoor furniture can be rearranged to fit different needs and layouts, making it ideal for small backyards where flexibility is key. Pergolas or arbors provide vertical interest and can define different areas within a small backyard. They offer shade and can support climbing plants. Incorporate hardscaping elements with built-in storage to keep small spaces tidy. Storage benches or hidden compartments can be practical and stylish. Opt for multifunctional hardscaping features, such as a bench that doubles as a planter or a table that doubles as storage, to maximize space. Reflective surfaces like glass tiles or mirrored panels can make a small backyard appear larger by bouncing light and creating a sense of openness. Choose low-maintenance hardscaping materials, such as composite decking or stone pavers, to keep small backyards looking pristine without constant upkeep. Green walls or living walls add a lush, natural element to small spaces while preserving valuable ground area. They offer both aesthetic appeal and environmental benefits. Effective hardscaping for small backyards involves smart design choices that maximize functionality and aesthetics. With the right approach, even the smallest spaces can become beautifully functional outdoor retreats.